The things that we're excited in bringing to the market is a short overview of lean agile procurement for the curious that reduces the investment in time and money so that you can have the taste test of what this is all about. In this half-day workshop, we'll cover the headlines of what lean agile procurement is and a fast simulation of big room bidding so that you can experience the canvas and understand the interplay between partner and company and the dynamism that lean agile procurement brings to your complex procurement discussion. From this, you could then go on and take a 2-day lean agile procurement course to explore in much deeper detail elements around it and to have those deeper questions asked. If you're looking for something as a taste test to test drive the ideas or just get a little bit of knowledge, the moose bouche as opposed to the whole menu, then this is the workshop for you. Are you interested?